Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fund SportyBet account with PalmPay. The first thing I want you to do is launch your PalmPay app. And then here in the home section, I want you to just go ahead and scroll down until you see the different services. So we have the betting funder right here. I want you to go ahead and tap on this. And then here you will see that you can choose which account that you want to fund. So come here, click on this drop down. We have all of these betting sites, including SportyBet. So you can go ahead and tap on SportyBet and just enter your SportyBet phone number. That will be a user ID. And then just select the amount and then come here and just tap on pay, right? And after that, you just follow the on-screen instructions and your SportyBet account that is associated with that phone number will actually be funded. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.